guys, it's Billy. It's me, Billy, and Kurt, and George. Hey George. We're at the park again. Anyway, it's a little cold. It's a little chilly out here, but we're still here because our park is like the most funnest place to be. Oh, look at those clouds. We don't know. It might just rain. You know, George's a little uncomfortable because he's a little afraid of rain and cold weather.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's raining! I'm getting wet. It's raining. It's storming. Oh.
Kurt. Hey, Kurt. Hey. Hi.
It's not gonna rain on me. I'm in a shelter. I'm safe. Those folks gonna get wet.
Right.
Ah!
George, it's all right. Oh. I don't think I'm gonna go down the slide today. It looks a bit wet. It does.
Oh my goodness, golly grief! There's holes!
Monkey bars. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, golly grief! Those clouds are getting closer! Ah, run for my life!
Oh my gosh, we need to go tell George. George, guess what we found?
Where?
Look, bones.
Oh my goodness, it's a dinosaur! It's a dinosaur! No! What kind of torture device is this? It's torture! What do I do?
You know, George, he has some things with him. He has ADD and ADHD.
Oh, no,
I'm not really sure what that means.
why, Kurt? Why? I'm gonna try the big boy spin. So far, so good. So far, ow! Oh, that hurts! Ow, that hurts!
Yeah, we had a really fun day for me, George, but now it started raining and there's thunder and stuff, and it's rain. George!